How are you families of this channel and others who are watching this video? Today I'm presenting you part 36 of aptitude test questions with their solutions. And on this video, I'm just going to present to you some simplification questions with their solutions. It is known that aptitude test questions are very important for students and again very important for graduates who are searching for a job, because these questions will appear in any type of examination, either vacancy examination or educational examination. So if you are a member of this channel, you will get weekly aptitude test questions with their solutions. Then you can practice with these aptitude test questions, and you will be the best competitor in either vacancy examinations. And again, you'll score better result in grade 12 scholastic aptitude test exam. Then subscribe this channel, and again share this channel to your friends and families who may need aptitude test questions. Now let's go to the questions. Question number 125. It says that if x is equal to minus 3, then x cubed minus x squared minus x will be equal to A minus 33, B minus 27, C 15, D 54. What is the answer for this question? Okay, try this question by your own. It is a very simple question. Substitute the value of x on the equation, then derive the value. So we have x is equal to minus 3 and the equation is x cubed minus x squared minus x. Then substitute minus 3 in place of x. Then it becomes, since our equation is x cubed minus x squared minus x, and in place of x we will substitute minus 3, then it becomes minus 3 cubed minus into minus 3 squared minus into minus 3. Again, here we have these values. Minus 3 cubed means minus 27. Then minus 3 squared means minus 3 squared will be 9, positive 9. Then you have minus 3 minus 9. Then you have minus into minus 3. Then minus multiplied by minus will be positive. Then it becomes plus 3. So you have minus 27 minus 9 plus 3. Again, the value will be minus 33. Then your answer for this question is choice A, minus 33. Question number 126. If x is equal to 5, y is equal to minus 3, and z is equal to minus 2, then x into y minus z over y into x plus y plus z is equal to how much? A 1 over 6, B 1 over 30, C 1, D 5. Again, here you are given the values of x, y, and z. Then you are given this equation. The equation is given as such: x into y minus z over y into x plus y plus z. Then what is the correct answer for this question? Again, here substitute the values of x, y, and z on the equation and simplify it. Okay, I hope you get the answer, and the way to get the answer for this question is presented as such. You are given the equation. The equation is this one. Then again you are given the values of x, y, and z. Simply substitute the values of x, y, and z on this equation. Then it becomes 5 into 3 minus 2, the whole over 3 into 5 plus 3 plus 2. Then according to the body mass rule. Again, here we will perform operations in parentheses. Okay, that means you have 3 minus 2 on the in parentheses on the denominator, on the numerator, I mean. Again, 5 plus 3 plus 2 in a parenthesis from the denominator. Then you have to find out the values of these numbers in a parenthesis. Then it becomes, on the numerator, you have 3 minus 2, it is 1. And the numerator becomes 5 times by 1. Again, from the denominator, you have numbers in the parentheses, and you have 5 plus 3 plus 2, it is 10. Then the denominator becomes 3 times by 10. Now you have 5 over 30, and simplify it, you get 1 over 6. So your answer again for this question is choice A, 1 over 6. We have question number 127, and it says that minus 7m minus, open a bracket, 3n minus, open a brace, 8m minus, open a parenthesis, for n minus 10m, close the parenthesis, close the brace, and close the bracket. Simplifies to A, 11m minus 5n, B, 11m minus 7n, C, 11n minus 7m, D, 13n minus 11m. What is the answer for this question? You have here values in a parenthesis, values in a brace, and values in a bracket. Then, according to the body mass rule, values in a parenthesis will be the first one to be operated. So you have to perform first values in a parenthesis. Then after, values in a brace will be the next one to be performed. And lastly, values in a bracket will be performed. Then to perform or to get the value for this equation, first we will start with values in a parenthesis. Then numbers in a parenthesis are for n minus 10m. Then we will start with these numbers, and our equation is minus 7m minus, here in a bracket, 3n minus, in a brace, 8m minus, in a parenthesis, 4n minus 10m. Then close the parenthesis, close the brace, and close the bracket. So in a parenthesis, we have minus 4n minus 10m. Then this one will be changed into minus 4n plus 10m. Distribute the minus sign to both 4n and minus 10m. Then when you distribute the negative sign to both the elements for n and 10m, it becomes minus 4n plus 10m. And you can rewrite the equation in such a way. And our new equation becomes minus 7m minus, in a bracket, 3n minus, in a brace, 8m minus 4n plus 10m. Now we have these values in a brace, 8m minus 4n plus 10m. We have similar terms, 8m and 10m, they can be added together, and it becomes minus 7n m minus, in a bracket, 3n minus, in a brace, 18m minus 4n, because 8m plus 10m is 18m. Now again, you have minus sign outside of the brace here. Then the negative sign will be distributed to both 18m and minus 4n, and when you distribute the negative sign to both the numbers, they become minus 18m plus 4n. Then you can rewrite again this equation in such a way, and the brace will be eliminated. So you can have the equation minus 7m minus, in a bracket, 3n minus 18m plus 4n. Since we distribute the negative sign to both the numbers, the brace is cancelled out. Now we have minus 3n minus 18m plus 4n in a bracket. You have here similar terms, 3n and 4n. You can add the two together and it becomes 7n minus 18m. And you have minus 7m minus, in a bracket, 7n minus 18m. Now again, distribute the negative sign to both 7n and minus 18m. Then the bracket will be cancelled out. So your new equation becomes minus 7m minus 7n, then plus 18m. Again, collect like terms. Minus 7m plus 18m is equal to 11m, and 11m minus 7n will be the simplified form of the given equation. So your answer for this question is choice B.